I found myself an AI assistant that is open source and free. It's called GLaDOS. This is a open source project by David, and anybody can come here, pull this repository into their PC or laptop and run this locally for themselves. It monitors the activity that you do. If you have left it running in the background, it will either pass comments randomly if it wants to. If you ask it any question, either it will give you that information or it will pass a sarcastic comment. That's the great part, right? It is whatever you want. I'll tell you how it works quickly. This is the architecture of it. It takes an input. It can be microphone, camera. I'll talk about this camera bit slightly later, but let's focus on microphone and text input. It will take this input. It will put this particular input that you have given into an LLM with a prompt about GLaDOS's personality, that it is snarky, it is super intelligence who sees humans as kids or test subjects, whatever. And the LLM will understand that prompt and reply to you in that particular way, which will then be outputted through whatever TTS is. I don't know what TTS is, through the speaker. So yeah, that's the basis of it. Then there's some other layer of camera, and I believe this VLM is probably some model, maybe a image to text model or something like that, where it continuously captures images from your webcam or camera. If you have enabled it, it will input that into sort of context, and that goes into that LLM, which eventually whether it wants to comment or not will decide, and that's how it will work. That's the basis of it. Now, my plan for it is use it to customize it for myself. The best part about this project is it's in Python. I know Python, which is great. This is my vision for GLaDOS. I eventually wanted to not only give me 2 sentences as replies, maybe I want 10 sentences, 15 sentences if I ask for any particular information, then this is what I want. And I plan to give it a little bit of autonomy to my system. For example, if I wanted to open some apps for me, it will directly open those apps for me if I'm just speaking to it. And that's my vision for now. This is my first step. I'm gonna post some updates in the future and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching.